ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ಕರಿಯರ್ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಇಂದಿನ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು BAO ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿದಂತೆ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ವಿಷಯದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಿಳಿದುಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಅತಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆಗೆ ಉಪಯುಕ್ತವಾದಂಥ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳನ್ನು, ಅಂದರೆ ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆಗೆ ಪದೇ ಪದೇ ಕೇಳಲಾಗುವಂಥ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳನ್ನು ತಿಳಿದುಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ವಿಡಿಯೋವನ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಸ್ಕಿಪ್ ಮಾಡದೆ ಪೂರ್ತಿಯಾಗಿ ಕೊನೆವರೆಗೂ ನೋಡಿ. ನೀವಿನ್ನೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಕೂಡಲೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿ. Hardly had he reached the station dash the train left. Option A, then. Option B, when. Option C, then. Option D, that. Correct answer, when. Question number 2. No sooner did she arrive dash it started raining. Option A, when. Option B, then. Option C, then. Option D, that. Correct answer, B, then. Third question. Choose the correct sentence. Option A, each of the boys have a pen. Option B, each of the boys has a pen. Option C, each of the boys had pen. Option D, each of the boys having a pen. Correct answer, B, each of the boys has a pen. Fourth question. He is one of the best students dash have passed the exam. Option A, who. Option B, whom. Option C, which. Option D, whose. Correct answer, option A, who. Question number 5. If I dash rich, I would help the poor. Option A, am. Option B, was. Option C, were. Option D, be. Correct answer, C, were. Question number 6. Neither the teacher nor the students dash present. Option A, was. Option B, were. Option C, is. Option D, has. Correct answer, B, were. Question number 7. The committee dash divided in its opinion. Option A, is. Option B, are. Option C, was. Option D, has. Correct answer, B, are. Question number 8. Choose the correctly spelt word. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಪೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಡ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಅದು ಯಾವುದಂತ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಕಂಡು ಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ, ಅಕಾಮಡೇಷನ್. ACCOMODATION. Option B, accommodation. ACCOMMODATION. Option C, accommodation. ACOMMODATION. Option D, ACCOMMADATION. ಇಲ್ಲೇನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಒಂದೇ ಥರ ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಬಟ್ ಅದರ ಅರ್ಥಗಳು ಬೇರೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಬೇಕು. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನಿಲ್ಲಿ? ಬಿ, ಅಕಾಮಡೇಷನ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಸಿನೋನಿಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೆಟಿಕ್ಯುಲಸ್. 9th question. Option A, careless. Option B, precise. Option C, rough. Option D, lazy. Correct answer, option B, precise. Next question. Antonymy of obsolete. Option A, outdated. Option B, ancient. Option C, modern. Option D, old. Correct answer, C, modern. Question number 11. The idiom once in a blue moon means dash. Option A, regularly. Option B, rarely. Option C, immediately. Option D, never. Correct answer, option B, rarely. Question number 12. He kicked the bucket means dash. Option A, become energy. Option B, died. Option C, fell down. Option D, ran away. Correct answer, option B, died. Question number 13. Choose the correct passive voice. They will complete the work. Option A, the work will complete. Option B, the work will be completed. Option C, the work is completed. Option D, the work has completed. Correct answer, Option B, the work will be completed. Question number 14. Choose the passive form. She wrote a letter. Option A letter wrote by her. Option B, a letter was written by her. Option C, a letter is written by her. Option D, a letter had written by her. Correct answer, option B, a letter was written by her. Next, question number 15. Indirect speech. He said, I am busy. Option A, he said that he was busy. Option B, he said that I was busy. Option C, he said he is busy. Option D, he said busy. Correct answer, option A, he said that he was busy. Question number 16. Indirect speech. She said, I have finished my work. Option A, she said that she has finished her work. Option B, she said that she had finished her work. Option C, she said that she finished her work. Option D, she said that she finished her work. Correct answer B, she said that she had finished her work. Next, question number 17. Choose the correct preposition. He is superior dash me. Option A, than. Option B, to. Option C, from. Option D, with. Correct answer B, to. Option B, to. Next question, 18th question. Question number 18. She is married dash a doctor. Option A, with. Option B, to. Option C, by. Option D, for. Correct answer B, 2. Option number B, 2. Question number 19. I prefer tea dash coffee. Option A, then. Option B, to. Option C, from. Option D, over. Correct answer option B, 2. Question number 20. He insisted dash paying the bill. Option A, on. Option B, in. Option C, at. Option D, for. Correct answer option A, on. Question number 21. Find the error. The news are true. Option A, the. Option B, news. Option C, are. Option D, true. Correct answer option C, are. Question number 22. Find the error. One of my friend is absent. Option A, one. Option B, of. Option C, friend. Option D, absent. Correct answer C, option C. Question number 23. Choose the correct from. I look forward to dash you. Option A, meet. Option B, meeting. Option C, met. Option D, have met. Correct answer option B, meeting. Question number 24. Scarcely had as he entered the room dash the lights went out. Option A, then. Option B, when. Option C, then. Option D, that. Correct answer option B, when. Question number 25. By next year I dash this course. Option A, complete. Option B, completed. Option C, will have completed. Option D, am completing. Correct answer option C, will have completed. Next, question number 26. If she had studied harder, she dashed the exam. Option A, passes. Option B, passed. Option C, would have passed. Option D, will pass. Correct answer option C, would have passed. Question number 27. Choose the correct article. He is dash MLA. Option A. Option B, an. Option C, the. Option D, no article. Right answer option B, an. Question number 28. Choose the correct article. C is dash university student. Option A. Option B, an. Option C, the. Option D, no article. Correct answer option A. Question number 29. The word benevolent means dash. Option A cruel, option B kind, option C selfish, option D rude. Correct answer option B kind. Question number 30. The word frugal means option A wasteful, option B economical, option C rich, option D careless. Correct answer answer B economical. Question number 31. Choose the correct sentence. Option A. He is senior than me. Option B. He is senior to me. Option C. He is senior from me. Option D. He is senior with me. Correct answer. Option B. He is senior to me. Question number 32. Choose the correct sentence. Option A. She has been working here since 5 years. Option B. She has been working here for 5 years. Option C. She is working here since 5 years. Option D. She worked here since 5 years. Option B is right answer. She has been working here for 5 years. Next question number 33. Much water has flowed under the bridge means dash. Option A. Flood occurred. Option B. Many changes have happened. Option C. Bridge collapsed. Option D. Water is dirty. Correct answer is option B. Many changes have happened. Next question number 34. Choose the one word substitution. A person who cannot read or write. Option A literate. Option B scholar. Option C illiterate. Option D novice. Correct answer is option C illiterate. Next question number 35. Choose the one word substitution. A speech delivered without preparation. Option A lecturer. Option B extempore. Option C debate. Option D sermon. Correct answer option B extempore. Next question number 36. Find the correctly punctuated sentence. Option A Rani said I am coming. Option B Rani said I am coming. Right answer is option B Rani said I am coming. Okay. Next question number 37. The principal as well as the teachers dash present. Option A was, option B were, option C are, option D have. Correct answer is option A was. Next question number 38. Not only the students but also the teacher dash absent. Option A were, option B are, option C was, option D have. Correct answer option C was. Next question number 39. Choose the correct word. He spoke dash. Option A polite. Option B politely. Option C politeness. Option D politest. Correct answer is option B politely. Next question number 40. Choose the correct comparative form of good. Option A gooder. Option B more good. Option C better. Option D best. Correct answer option C better. Question number 41. The train arrived dash time. Option A in, option B on, option C at, option D by. Correct answer option B on. Question number 42. He has been ill dash Monday. Option A for, option B since, option C from, option D by. Correct answer option B since. Next question number 43. Choose the correct phrasal verb. Please dash the lights before leaving. Option A foot on, option B foot off, option C foot out, option D foot up. Correct answer option C foot out. Next question number 44. The opposite of expand is dash. Option A enlarge, option B contract, option C extend, option D spread. Correct answer option B contract. Question number 45. Choose the correct sentence. Option A I am used to get up early. Option B, I am used to getting up early. Option C, I used to getting up early. Option D, I used to get up early. Correct answer option B, I am used to getting up early. Question number 46. The meeting was postponed dash next week. Option A for, option B to, option C at, option D in. Correct answer option B to. Question number 47. Choose the correct question tag. You are coming dash. Option A, are you? Option B, aren't you? Option C, do you? Option D, don't you? Answer option B, aren't you? Question number 48. Choose the correct question tag. He never tells lies. Option A, does he? Option B, doesn't he? Option C, is he? Option D, isn't he? Correct answer option A, does he. Question number 49. I would rather dash at home than go out. Option A, stay. Option B, stayed. Option C, staying. Option D, to stay. Correct answer option A, stay. Question number 50. Choose the correct sentence. Option A, had I know the truth, I would help him. Option B, had I know the truth, I would have helped him. Option C, had I knew the truth, I would have helped him. Option D, had I know the truth, I will have helped. ಸೊ ಗೈಸ್ ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಗೆ ನೀವೇ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಗೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿರುವಂಥ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುದು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ನೀವೇ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತಿಳಿಸಿ. ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನಿಮಗೆ ಉಪಯುಕ್ತವಾಗಿದ್ದರೆ VAO ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಗೆ ಸಿದ್ಧತೆಯನ್ನು ನಡೆಸುತ್ತಿರುವಂತಹ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೊಂದಿಗೂ ಸಹ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಹಾಗೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.